What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take off the front bumper, or front fascia as some people say, on the Maserati Ghibli. Alright, so you may be asking, why am I taking off the front bumper? The main reason is to get this back aligned. Somehow this is not aligned anymore. It's on this side and it's on the other side, but it's really on the driver's side the most. I don't know if you can see that. So it should be flush, but it's not. It's protruding out a little bit up here, so that's the main reason why we take it off. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the wheel well skirt from the bumper. It's being held by 4 Phillips head screws going right down the front. So let's do that. So right where the fender meets, there is a torque bit. It's a T27 bit that you need to loosen up to separate these two parts right here. All right, so next we're going to remove the underbody guard. There's 2 pieces to the underbody, so we're just going to remove the front, and it's held up by 13 T25 torque bits. Not all 13 are on the front guard. It's alternating between the actual front fascia and the guard itself, but I'll show you once we get under there. All right, so underneath here, we're going to take off these torque screws with the T27. All right, so there's 2 in the back that you have to take off. All right, so there's 17 in total of the T27 screws. All right, so when you're done with the underneath, you'll see that it won't come all the way down until you take away the 3 push pins that's in the back. So it's one right there, and then one right there. All right, so you have to turn the wheels to access that inner clip. All right, you can move this to the side. All right, so under here on the passenger side, there's your harness for your park sensor. You want to unplug that, push down on the clamp and then pull. Then you have a clamp here. You want to take that out with your tool. All right, so now that we've done the stuff in the wheel well and underneath the body, we're going to come up to the top and we're going to take off this top cover. It's just push clips that pop up. There's 4 of them on the cover, and then there's another one on the driver's side and on the passenger side that you have to take out as well. And underneath this cover, there's going to be 6 T55 torque bolts that you need to take out. Then we should be done with all the bolts. So let's get started. Alright, so you slide this back and then up, and you see the exposed torque bits. So now using our T55, we can take out these top 6 screws. All right, don't forget these clips over here. Make sure you use a plastic tool, that way you don't scratch anything. All right, so what you want to do here is push down on the fender and pull up on the bumper. You want to be careful, take your time, and you can use this tool here. Plastic, remember, so you don't damage your stuff, to pry up underneath there. And there's a little clamp in here that this rests on, and you want to pull up like that. All right, and then we're going to do the same on the passenger side. All right, with everything free, So this little broken piece here is the reason why the bumper was protruding out. I was hoping that it was just maybe the clip wasn't seated right, but it appears that the thing is actually broken. So I don't know if I can fix that, but I'm going to try to figure out a way to fix it and stop it from protruding out like it is. But all in all, that's how you take the bumper off, and you install it same way you took it off. If this is your first time checking out the channel and you would like to learn how to do DIY maintenance, mods, and other car related activities, start now by clicking that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything.